As energy costs rise and homeowners look for ways to reduce their environmental impact, improving energy efficiency has become a top priority. One of the most effective upgrades you can make to your Nampa home is replacing old, inefficient windows. New windows can dramatically reduce energy loss, increase indoor comfort, and lower your utility bills. Here's how window replacement can boost your home's energy efficiency and what you need to know to make the best choices. Why old windows reduce energy efficiency. Older windows, particularly single-pane or poorly insulated ones, are one of the main culprits of energy loss in homes. Common problems include air leaks, gaps, cracks, or deteriorating seals allow warm or cool air to escape. Poor insulation. Single-pane windows provide little protection against heat transfer. Condensation. Failed seals on double-pane windows reduce insulation, causing drafts and moisture buildup. If you notice drafts, high energy bills, or temperature fluctuations, your windows may no longer be performing effectively. Replacing them with modern, energy-efficient options can make a significant difference. Features to look for in energy-efficient windows. When replacing your windows in Nampa, look for features that maximize energy efficiency. These include double or triple pane glass. Multiple panes of glass with insulating gas, like argon or krypton, between them help reduce heat transfer. Low E glass. Low emissivity, low E coatings reflect heat into your home during the winter and keep it out during the summer, improving temperature control. Insulated frames. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames provide better insulation compared to older wooden or aluminum frames. Weather stripping and seals. Tight seals and quality weather stripping prevent drafts and leaks, ensuring your windows are airtight. These advanced window technologies create a barrier that keeps your indoor climate stable, no matter the weather outside. Benefits of window replacement for energy efficiency. Upgrading your windows offers several key benefits that enhance your home's energy performance and overall comfort. Lower energy bills. Energy-efficient windows reduce heat loss in winter and keep your home cooler in summer, leading to significant savings on heating and cooling costs. Improved indoor comfort. New windows eliminate drafts, hot spots, and temperature fluctuations, creating a more comfortable living environment year-round. Enhanced UV protection. Low E coatings block harmful UV rays that can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork, while still allowing natural light to brighten your home. Reduced carbon footprint. By using less energy, you're not only saving money but also reducing your home's environmental impact. For Nampa homeowners, these benefits add up to a healthier, more cost-effective, and eco-friendly home. Choosing the right windows for Nampa's climate. Nampa's climate brings warm summers and cold winters, so it's essential to choose windows designed for year-round energy efficiency. Double-pane windows. These provide excellent insulation against both heat and cold and are well suited to Nampa's fluctuating temperatures. Low E coatings. These are essential for reflecting summer heat and retaining warmth during the winter months. Vinyl or fiberglass frames. These materials resist warping, cracking, and rotting while providing excellent insulation, even in humid or dry conditions. By selecting windows designed for Nampa's climate, you'll enjoy maximum energy savings and long-lasting performance. The importance of professional installation. Even the most energy-efficient windows won't perform as intended if they're not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a precise, airtight fit that eliminates drafts and leaks. Proper sealing and insulation for maximum energy efficiency. Long-term performance and durability. Working with a professional window installation team in Nampa ensures your new windows are installed to the highest standards, giving you peace of mind and optimal results. Return on investment. While window replacement is a significant investment, it pays off in the long run through lower energy bills, increased home value, and reduced maintenance costs. Energy-efficient windows are highly attractive to buyers, making your home more competitive in the Nampa real estate market. With the potential for energy savings, improved comfort, and enhanced curb appeal, replacing your windows delivers a strong return on investment. Start saving with energy-efficient windows. If you're ready to improve your home's energy efficiency, window replacement is a smart and impactful upgrade. Modern windows with advanced energy-saving features not only reduce energy costs but also make your home more comfortable, stylish, and environmentally friendly. Get started on your window replacement in Nampa. Upgrading your windows doesn't have to be stressful. Partnering with a professional window installation team ensures a seamless process and outstanding results. They'll help you choose the right windows for your needs, budget, and Nampa's climate, ensuring your investment pays off for years to come. Don't let outdated windows drive up your energy bills. Replace them today and start enjoying the benefits of a more efficient, comfortable, and beautiful home.